Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a blow dryer to remove wrinkles from clothing quickly. This will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. You can use a blow dryer just like this one right here to do a decent job at removing wrinkles from your clothing, and it can work in a relatively quick manner. It is not the best method for removing wrinkles from clothing, but it seems to do a pretty good job as far as I understand and as far as I know, and it is quick, so it is an effective way. So how do you do it? It's really, really simple. Let's just say that I had a wrinkle in this shirt, in this sweater, and I wanted to remove that wrinkle. What you want to start off doing, the first thing that you want to do is you want to get some water and make the area just ever so slightly damp. So you don't want to wet it, you don't want to soak it, you just want to make it ever so slightly damp. So let's say there was a wrinkle over here. I would get some water and I would just put a little bit of water on that area, okay? Then once it is just ever so slightly damp, you're going to stretch it out or flatten it out. You want it to be as flat as you can make it, okay? So, you know, you might have to put, you know, the article of clothing down on a flat surface. You might be able to just flatten it out by sort of pulling it apart. Do whatever you have to do to flatten it out, okay? Once it is damp or just ever so slightly damp and flattened out, you're going to take your blow dryer and using a heated setting, you're going to blow dry it with the heat of the blow dryer, okay? And what that's going to do is that's going to allow the heat to dry it, okay? And basically, if you have a spot that's wrinkly, it should do a decent job once it has been dried with the blow dryer of removing that wrinkle. Does that mean it's going to be perfect and it's the best method? No, it does not by any means mean those things. You know, it's not going to be perfect. It's not the best method, but it seems to work decently well from what I understand, and it's quick. This whole process is really, really quick. There are other better ways to remove wrinkles, but they tend to take much longer and they're more involved. Whereas this is a quick and easy method, and it seems to work decently well. So it's considered to be, in my opinion, an effective method. And that's basically it. That's literally how you do it. And it's literally that simple. I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say for this video, other than hope that you've enjoyed it, with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.